Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to your Airbrush Garage. If you're new here, welcome. Returning, thanks for coming back. All right, today I'm really excited. Just got some new templates in the mail by Art Tool. They're the PocketGraFX by Scott McKay. You get 7 templates in all. Really, you get 6, but you use the negative template once they're all taken out as the 7th. All right, so the 7 we'll be looking at are the Metal Master, Shatter, Pocket Shred, Rivet Master, Filigree Flourish, and a Pyro Curve. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. Got a nice little PocketGraFX by Scott McKay holder for all of our stencils. Very nice, made of metal. I want to note that all of these stencils are 3.5 inches by 2 inches, so they'll all fit in your little carry case here. We're going to be taking them all out of here, and when we do, you'll be left with the negative templates, which will be our 7th template. Okay, so I brought it over to my cutting table. This became a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So what they did is they took it and they put little arrows all over where the template is connected. Okay, so I thought these were just going to pop out, but it's going to take a little bit more care with an X-Acto blade to get these out. So I'm going to lay this down on my cutting mat. I'm going to very carefully just place the blade over where the arrow is, where it's connected, and then push down so I get a nice clean cut. Because when I was popping them out just by hand, it's very difficult, and they're on there really good. So I was surprised of the difficulty there is in getting them off of the negative side of the template. But if you use an X-Acto blade and be very careful, just take your time and be patient. So you want to go on each arrow and lay your blade and just ever so carefully, because if you slip, you can cut it. But I found this to be the easiest. Now, if somebody else has this template and you have a better method, by all means, drop a comment down below. Let all the viewers know. This is my first go at this template. I'll show you how it is pulling it by hand. I mean, you can see I'm yanking on that pretty good just to get that off. And then when you do, if you're not cutting it with the blade, you're getting a little nib right there, which that stuff's all gonna have to be trimmed in my opinion. So if you just cut it with the X-Acto blade to begin with, now I'm gonna go back over them anyway, just to make sure on all the templates. So you just wanna repeat that process. I'll get all of these out of here and I'll see you in a few minutes. Well, there you have it. The Metal Master, Shatter, Pocket Shred, Pyro Curve, Filigree Flourish, and Rivet Master. And then of course you got your negative of all of those templates. Really, really cool set. I'm gonna take them. Place each one. Give you a close-up of each one. And the negative. PocketGraFX by Art Tool. Well, there you have it, the PocketGraFX by Scott McKay. Some really cool tools for your airbrush toolbox. So I hope you liked this video. If you do, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell so you get future notifications. Thumbs up would be great. A couple comments, good or bad, really helps out the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to check out the link down below so you can go purchase this product. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.